You have to open the kind of window.
I don't want to open a window. It's a blizzard out there. Literally.
Oh, weird.
It's so cold. Ricky, what do you have to say about the blizzard?
Love it. This is great driving.
He's a freak. Freezing.
I know, we'll keep it.
I'm gonna put gloves on, okay?
Okay, put the camera back on me. She made me pick her up from this crap. She did.
3 blocks.
Oh, look at that one, look at that one. It's outside now. Welcome to Chicago.
Honey, you can't even see it. And it's like getting on me. I'm done.